everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to recover your TradingView's password easily. If you've forgotten your password or can't log in, don't worry, TradingView makes the password recovery quick. Here's step-by-step guide. First, open the TradingView app. Tap TradingView icon on your iPhone and go to the login screen. Here you'll see the option right below the email and password fields. Tap to re- tap the tap it to start the password recovery process. Next, type in the email address you used when creating your TradingView account. Double check for typos, then tap submit. Check your inbox, look for an email from TradingView with the subject line like reset your password. If you don't see it, check spam, junk or promotion folders. If you're using Gmail, also use the updates tab. The email will contain a secure link. Tap it, it will open in Safari or your default browser. Follow on screen instructions to create a new strong password. Return to the app and log in. After resetting, go back to the TradingView app and log in with your email and new password. You should have full access to your account again. Quick fix: if you don't receive the email, tap resend email on the app after waiting a minute. Make sure your email address is correct and active. If it all fails, contact the TradingView support to reset your credentials manually, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.